Hello dear students, let us continue the relation function chapter. Okay. In the last class we have studied about the order pair and Cartesian product of the two sets. So by using the Cartesian of two sets we will define next concept, that is relations. Okay. So let us see what is mean by relations. Okay. So see here, in our daily routine we will come across the so many relations. Yes, so like that. So already I told in the last class, brother, sister, father, mother, so many relations we will see in our daily life. Okay, like that, in the same manner we will come across the mathematical relations. So that is 7 is greater than 5, right? So here greater than, the phrase greater than is a relation which connects between 7 and 5, which connects the relation between 7 and 5. Okay, so and square of 2 is 4. So here the what is the relation between 2 and 4? It is 2 is the square of the 4. Okay. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So here the phrase similar connects the relation between triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay. So like this we will see so many mathematical relations. Okay. Now I will define the relation using the Cartesian product. So what is meant by Cartesian product? Is the set of order pairs. Cartesian product is the set of order pairs from the set A to the set B. Okay. So the relation is R. Relation is R from a non-empty set A to the non-empty set B is the subset of the Cartesian product R. So relation R from a non-empty set A to B is a subset of Cartesian, is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. So relation andre entry, a relation R from the set A to set B, idu ಒಂದು subset ಎದರದ್ರಿ Cartesian product A cross B ದ ಅದು ಒಂದು subset ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Okay, then so A comma B is an order pair which is belongs to the A cross B. Then we can say that A is related to B. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನ? A is related to B. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಓದಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ? A is R related to, A is R related to B. A is R related to the B. Okay. So suppose a relation is defined on a set A only. So R is subset of the Cartesian product A cross B we wrote. Okay. Suppose it is defined on a single set, then R is subset of A cross A. R is a subset of A cross A. Okay. So therefore a relation is A comma B such that A is related to B and A belongs to the set A and B belongs to the set B. So this is the definition of the relation. This is the definition of the relation A comma B order pair, set of, it is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. So relation R from set A to set B is the subset of the Cartesian product A cross B, right? Next, so we will usually represent relation by an arrow diagram. So this is a set A, set B. This is a relation from set A to the set B. Okay, 1 2 3 4, A B C D. Okay, 1 is connected to B, 2 is connected to A, 3 to the A, 4 to the D. So this is the relation between A and B. Okay, so now I will write that relation. Okay, 1 comma B, 1 comma B, next 2 comma A, and 3 comma C, and 4 comma D. So this is the relation between A and B. The relations are usually denoted by the arrow diagrams. Okay, set A, set B, and this connects the relation between A and B. Wrote here 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 3 comma C, 4 comma D. Okay, so now let us write the domain and range of the relation. Domain. So domain of the relation andre enri. Okay, the set of all first elements of the order pair in a relation are. So the set of first elements of the ordered pair in a relation R is called as the domain of the relation. So see here, in this domain is domain of R equal to the, so domain nodri set of first element, second element, first element adava. First element is set 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, set of all first elements of the order pair in a relation R. ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, set of second elements of the order pair, second elements of ordered pair in relation R. Second elements of the order pair nodri range of R is equal to the second elements B, A, C, D. Okay, we can write A, B, C, D. So idu range of the relation R ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂತೀವ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೊಮೇನ್, codomain, and elements which are related to the elements of the set A are called as the range. set B ದಾಗಿನ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ದಾಗಿನ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಹೊಂದಿರ್ತಾವ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಕೂಡಿದ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೊಮೇನ್ನ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ನ ಇದ್ರಾಗಿನ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಮೂರೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಆವಾಗ ರೇಂಜ್. ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಮೂರಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ range is subset of the codomain. So ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ ರೀ, range is always subset of the codomain. Okay, so relation is always represented in a roster form or set builder form. relation roster or set builder form ಗೆ represent ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, and arrow diagram is a visual representation of the relation. ಈ arrow diagram ಏನ್ರಿ, this is the visual representation of the relation. Okay, so this is the basics definitions of the relation. So that is a relation, it is the subset of the Cartesian product, and domain the set of all first elements of the order pair in a relation R, and range it is a set of second elements of the ordered pair in the relation, that is range. And codomain it is a set B, that is set B, and range is subset of a codomain. Range is subset or equal to the codomain always. And so this relation is always we will write in a set builder form or roster form. We can write in a set builder or roster form, and the visual representation of the relation is arrow diagram. Okay, see the example. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Define a relation R from A to A by R is equal to x comma y such that y equal to x plus 1. Depict the relation using arrow diagram. Means arrow diagram we have to draw. Write down the domain, codomain and range of the R. Okay. So see, given a set A, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the relation is R equal to the x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 1. So I will write the arrow diagram here. Set A to A. Okay, this is a relation R 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now we have to relate the elements of set A to the set B. Okay, so these are all x, these are all y. Now a relation R is equal to the, so see here y equal to x plus 1 is there. Suppose x equal to 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ x equal to 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ 1 is connected to the 2, order pair ಏನಕತಿ 1, 2. Next x equal to 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 plus 1 is 3. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ 3 ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಈಸ್ 2, 3. 2, 3. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x equal to 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 connected to the 4. 3, 4. Next 4, 5. Then 5, 6. 5 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 plus 1 is 6. ಸೊ 4, 5 ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ 5, 6 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ 6 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 plus 1 is 7. ಸೊ 7 ಕೋಡೊಮೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 is the relation R. So what is the domain? Domain is the set of first elements of the relation R. Okay, order pair. Next, that is domain of R is equal to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 first elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, range, set of second elements of the order pair in a relation R. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is codomain. Okay, codomain of R. So codomain nodri idu complete set bartati 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So see here, range is a subset of the codomain. Range is subset of codomain. Okay, range is the subset of a codomain. This is a one example. Next one is example 2. A is equal to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to the 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. The relation is A comma B such that A divides B. A divides B. So for this also I will write the arrow diagram, domain, range and codomain. Okay. So first write the relation. Okay, set A, set B. Okay, this is a relation R. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 4, 6, 7, 9 and 11. Right, these are the two sets relation. A comma B is A divides B. A divides B. See, 1 divides 4, 1 divides 6, 1 divides 7, 1 divides 9, 1 divides 11. So therefore 1 divides 4, 1 divides 6, 1 divides 7, 1 divides 9, 1 divides 11. Next, see here 2 divides 4 and 2 divides 6. So other than 4 and 6 it doesn't divide any elements. Therefore 2 comma 4 and 2 comma 6. Then 3 divides 6 and 3 divides 9 also. 3 comma 6 and 3 comma 9. So next is 4 divides 4. Okay, so it doesn't divide any element again. 4 divides 4. Next 5 doesn't divide any element from this. So this close the relation. So this is the relation R. Then now write the domain. Domain of R is equal to the 1, 2, 3. So domain is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the domain. Next range. Range is, so we'll get all elements. Okay, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. So they only will repeat again, no need to write. This is the range. Next codomain is same, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. So in this case range is equal to the codomain. So in this case it is range is equal to the codomain. Example 8. The figure shows a relation between the two sets P and Q. So this is the figure. Okay, write the relation in the set builder form, in the roster form, and writes its dominant range. With by referring this diagram, we have to write the relation in roster form and set builder form, and also we have to write dominant's range. Okay, solution. This is equal to the, okay, so first write the relation. See, observe this, 3 9 minus 3 9, 2 4 minus 2 4, 5 25 minus 5 25. It means 3 square is 9 minus 3 square is also 9. So it means, so all the elements which are present in set P are the square of the elements of set Q. So they are the square of the elements of the set Q. Okay, so the relation is R is equal to the x comma y such that x is square of y and x belongs to the P, y belongs to the Q. So this is the relation, x comma y such that x is a square of y, x is a square of y, and x belongs to P, y belongs to the Q. In that first one, in the set builder form I will write a relation. Okay, so 9 is the square of 3n minus 3, therefore 9 comma 3, 9 comma minus 3. Next 4 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 2. Then 25 comma 5, 25 comma minus 5. Right, this is a set builder form. Next is roster form. Second one is roster form. A relation in the roster form, that is, okay, so this is first one, set builder form. This is roster form, set builder form, roster form, and third is domain of R. So see, first elements 9 4 25. This is the domain 4 9 25. Okay, range of R equal to the, so range is, see, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, then these are all minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 2 3 5. Okay, -5 -3 -2 2 3 5. This is the range, and codomain is so that complete set -5 -3 -2 1 2 3 5. This is the codomain of this relation. With referring to this diagram, we wrote this all. Okay, they asked the question and we wrote this all. Very simple question. Okay, now come to the one important note. So we know if a set A has P elements and a set B has Q elements, then the number of set in the Cartesian product are PQ. Okay, this is the number of elements in the Cartesian product are PQ. Then so total number of relation from A to B are total number of relation from A to B is equal to the 2 power PQ. So as we write the subset, number of subset of a set, so in the same manner this is a set, then the number of subset of this set are 2 raised to PQ, that is nothing but the number of relation from the set A to the set B. So this is very important. Number of relation from the set A to the set B is 2 power PQ, right? So see one example based on this. Example 9. Let A is equal to the 1, 2 and B is equal to the 3, 4. So find the number of relation. Find the number of relations from A to B. From A to B, we have to write the number of relations. So okay, see, number of elements in set A are 2. ಎರಡು elements ಇದ್ರಾಗ. Number of elements in set B are again 2. Therefore, number of elements in the Cartesian product are, this is equal to 2 cross 2. Okay, this is 4. Then the total number of relation formula is number of relations equal to the 2 power 4. So there exist 2 power 4 means 16 relations from the set A to the set B. Okay, number of relation from the set A to the set B are 16. Okay, question number 7 from the exercise 1.2. Write the relation R is equal to order pair x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10 in the roster form. Okay, so see here, first note down the prime numbers less than 10. Prime number less than 10 are, so 2 will get 3, 5 and 7. So these are the 4 prime numbers less than 10, and the relation is R equal to the x comma x cube such that x is prime number less than 10. X is prime less than 10. It means, so x, I will take 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ x place naga 2 cube is 8. next 3 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ x place naga 3 cube is 27. okay, next element 5 ಅದ, x place na 5 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 5 cube is 125. next 7 cube is 343. 7 comma 343. this is the relation. so ಏನು x comma x cube, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅದರ 2 cube ಬರೆಯೋದು, 3 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 3 cube, 5 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 5 cube, 7 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 7 cube. so this is the relation. next, a equal to x comma y comma z and b equal to 1 comma 2. find the number of relation from A to B. okay, very simple question. okay, number of elements in the set A are 3, number of elements in the set B are 2, number of elements in the A cross B is equal to the 3 into 2, that is 6. Then number of relation from A to B are 2 power 6. So ಏನು ಬರ್ತವೆ 2 power 6 number of relations from the set A to the set B. It means so 1632 64 relations we will get from the set A to the set B, 2 power 6 relations.